Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make miso soup easy. First, let's create our dashi base, which is crucial for that authentic umami flavor. You'll need 4 cups of water, a 5-inch piece of kombu, and about 1/2 cup of katsuobushi, or bonito flakes. Gently simmer these ingredients for approximately 10 minutes. Afterward, strain the broth to remove the kombu and katsuobushi, leaving you with a clear, fragrant dashi. This simple step sets the stage for a truly delicious soup. Now that our dashi is ready, let's add some delicious and healthy ingredients. Bring your dashi back to a gentle simmer over medium heat. Carefully add about 1 cup of diced firm tofu and 1/2 cup of thinly sliced green onions. If you like, you can also incorporate other quick-cooking vegetables such as rehydrated wakame seaweed or sliced shiitake mushrooms for extra texture and flavor. Let these simmer for just a few minutes until tender. This next step is vital for preserving the delicate flavor of your miso. Remove the pot from the heat entirely before adding the miso paste. In a separate small bowl, whisk 2 to 3 tablespoons of your preferred miso paste with a small amount of the hot dashi until it forms a smooth, lump-free paste. Then, gently stir this dissolved miso mixture back into the main pot. Ensure it's fully combined, but avoid boiling the soup after adding miso. Your delicious homemade miso soup is now ready to enjoy. Ladle the warm soup into individual serving bowls. For an extra touch, you can garnish each bowl with a few more thinly sliced green onions or a sprinkle of shichimi togarashi for a subtle spicy kick. This comforting and nutritious soup is perfect as a light meal on its own or as a wonderful accompaniment to any Japanese-inspired dinner. Enjoy every spoonful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.